Hello, I currently have my retainer in. It is not staying in for the entire video. I just have it in for right now. Today I'm doing a Q&A plus bake with me, because why not? That sounds fun, right? Quick retainer update. I sound a lot better than I did when I first got it and would wear it. Like, you can barely talk properly when you first start wearing your retainer. I still don't sound normal. I know that. It just takes time to adjust, and eventually your speech goes back to normal, but I'm not there yet, so. Hello and welcome. Today we are going to be making M&M cookies. Now I wanted to make something a little more unordinary than cookies. I don't know what, but just not cookies. But I kind of have picky siblings when it comes to desserts, believe it or not. They both like cookies, so we're making cookies. I'm going to start off by gathering my ingredients, and then we can also get started with the Q&A. This is all I got for M&Ms. This calls for mini M&Ms. Those were not available. So I got this. I hope it's enough. That says I need a cup, a quarter, 1 1/4 cup. Calls for 1 large egg, but we're using 2 small eggs. Instant pudding mix. Do not have that. Don't know why you would put pudding mix in cookies, so I think it'll be okay without it. Preheat the oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Using a mixer. No. Guess what? We're mixing by hand. We're gonna start the Q&A now. Do you watch cooking shows? If so, what's your favorite? I do not watch cooking shows. I used to though. When I was little, I'd watch them with my mom. We used to watch Rachel Ray, this other one. I'll find it somehow. I'll find it and put it here. What does your dream house look like? I really like open concept houses, and like with high ceilings and lots of windows. I really like sunlight, just like natural light. It makes me happy. You should make a butterscotch pie. I should. Is this where you cook or where you get high? Obviously, I'm cooking. I don't do drugs. Hello? Okay, we'll start with a spatula and see how that goes. What is something you regret in your life? Not being thankful. I know that probably sounds kind of like something everyone would say, but honestly, just be thankful for what you have in that moment, because you never know when you could lose it. And then when you do, that's kind of the only point when you realize what you had. So not being thankful for what I had. Oh, my arm. Throw that egg in there. What is your favorite childhood memory? I used to have a little playhouse outside in my yard. So it had a kitchen inside of it, and it had like some dishes and cups and whatever. And I had teacups in there. And one morning I was playing in there, and my brother came in, and I used to fill the teacups with dirt and pretend it was coffee. And so I was like bringing it to my mouth, but obviously wasn't actually putting it in my mouth. And so he was like, "Can I have some?" And I was like, "Sure." So I gave him a cup full of dirt, and he poured it all in his mouth and then threw it up. What is your biggest fear? I really don't like spiders. I hate spiders and centipedes. Ugh, no, I hate them. This is our batter. It's extremely thick. It calls for 1 1/4 cup of mini M&Ms, and we have about half a cup. I think that looks good. Oh, perfect. Look at that. These are gonna make big, fat cookies. Look at that! Oh, jeez. Wow. Now we wait. Okay, the cookies are cooling. They're huge. They're massive. While I let them cool for a few minutes, I figured I'd answer the last few questions. Nervous about going into senior year? Yes and no. No, because it kind of hasn't hit me yet that I'm going into senior year. Yes, because I am aware that this will be my last year in high school, and then after that, life begins and you gotta figure stuff out. Dream job. Something to do with YouTube. What are your favorite things about me? I can't choose one thing. Oh, wow. It doesn't taste bad. It's okay. It's nothing special. That's it for this video. My next video is going to be me exposing your secrets. All the secrets and confessions will be completely anonymous. If you want to submit anything for that video, DM me on Instagram. I'll see you guys next time.